Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Life is more than just pointers and packages. Don't try to revolve around yourself in campus around pointers and packages. Life is more than that.
Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode of Know Your Alumni. Today we have Mohit Kumar with us. Hi Mohit, how are you?
Hi Shita, I'm fine.
Okay, so guys, he has done his BTech as well as his MTech from NIFTM. He did his internship in Nestle, and after his MTech, he prepared for a number of examinations like RBI, Civil Services, and NABARD. He's currently working as an assistant manager in NABARD. So let's have an interaction with him. So, like you have spent 6 years in NIFTM. So, how has been your journey, and what are your learnings from it?
See, NIFTM is a very special place for us all food technologists in India, and it holds a very importance, as you know, that it is a institute of national importance now, being the vision of Ministry of Food Processing. There have been accomplishments in this field, and it is of relevant importance in future. So I was the first batch, and we were lucky to be there. There were a bunch of good friends out there. And yes, there were difficulties being the first batch, that facilities were in their initial stages, but it was a very good experience, I would say. We learned a lot, and it was a great experience being in NIFTM.
Okay. So, like you did your internship in Nestle. So, can you suggest some ways in which how can a person have campus internships?
Nestle is a very reputed organization, and any placement or internship would have the same strategy. And to get into good companies, you need to create an X factor in your personality, I guess. And that X factor is what you do apart from academics. Academics, everyone is equal in terms of pointers when they perform in an interview, because they test your basic knowledge and everyone has that. So you need to develop around all round development, I would say, and read a lot of newspapers and current affairs and try to analyze, try to develop an point of view of your own, and you should stick to it. And yes, I would say GD and interview both are different, and aptitude you should work upon. So these would create a difference, and confidence is the key, I would say, in the interview.
Okay. So, when did you decide to move into the government sector from the corporate sector?
See, being in Nestle Goa, it was a very great experience and a life-changing experience for me. Earlier, I used to think of corporate as a big job, and I was very narrow-minded in terms of searching for the opportunities, I would guess. Or even we wouldn't be trying for such exams like NABARD, RBI, and civil services, because there is a very little scope, and you have to start afresh from the zero. So many people don't try it because of the difficulty, and I would guess you should try, because industry life is different and government jobs are different. It has its own pros and cons. So yes, it is a rewarding job, and you should take the risk. I would say it would be beneficial.
Okay. So, like currently you're working in NABARD. So, what exactly is your role as an assistant manager in NABARD? And what opportunities are there for the food technologist in a development bank, NABARD?
In NABARD, I joined in November 2019 as an assistant manager. And in initial phases, you go through a training process in campus in Lucknow, NBSC Training Center, where you are told about the basics of NABARD, what it does, and what you should expected from an officer in NABARD. So I was posted at Ahmedabad regional office as an assistant manager in Farm Sector Policy Department. When you visit the NABARD website, you would know how broad its structure is, and there are around more than 20 plus departments ranging from various, you name it, and it is there in NABARD. The current, someone was saying that data mining, it is there in NABARD based on recent trends they follow. So it is always updated in terms of whatever it is going on in the country. So being a development bank of the nation for fostering rural prosperity, it is I think food technologies play an important role, considering the importance of processing sector in future for the farmers and doubling of income. So it holds a very special value, and you are, I think, more honored being in such an institute because you are one of the food technologists among many officers, around 120 officers in our office, and there are around one or two food technologists. So you are preferred in meetings like the regional technical advisory group, and there are many meetings and workshops around food processing, so you will be there. And Amul, dairy sector, anything you name it, fisheries, you will be there in those meetings and you will hold relevance importance in those.
Okay, that's great. So, for all those people who want to prepare for such examinations, how can they utilize their lockdown period?
See, lockdown is essential when certain opportunities will be closed down and other doors will open. So utilize your time in creating an X factor in your personality as well as try to follow a different path than others. These are very, I would say, common paths like placements and all. Should try to develop new by seeing those interviews. I would say juniors can take this as an opportunity to know what other sectors are available for which you can try upon. So you should develop, I would say, commitment and concerted efforts towards what you want to achieve in life and just get on with it. It's no option than hard work.
Okay. So, sir, now I would just like you to give an advice to the Niftimites from your own experiences.
See, there are many learnings that our previous batchmates have also told. So I would say life is more than just pointers and packages. Don't try to revolve around yourself in campus around pointers and packages. Life is more than that. So try to explore that and try to develop an all-round personality. Don't be a person who is just sitting in library all the time. Try to be in the gym, try to be in the sports, try to be in the cultural activities. I would say that would lead to a all-round personality which would help you in the long run. And learn from the teachers and as well as your seniors because it would save your time by knowing their experience. And to choose a particular options which are available, opportunities which are available, you should get an idea what is after you get like doing an MS in foreign. What after MS? What are they doing? What after MBA they are doing? So there is a lifestyle beyond every career option you choose. So you should choose a lifestyle basically, and then career will automatically come to you sooner or later. And try to balance professional as well as personal goals. There are organizations which want you to like work for 8 hours and that's it. That's not the end of the story. You should develop yourself as a personality in the organization. Try to become an asset for the organization, I would say, rather than an employee.
Okay, thank you so much. It was a pleasure to have a talk with you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Shita. It would be a great opportunity if juniors try to. This platform should basically save time, crucial time of yours, because you are running a marathon race. Sooner or later, you graduate. You are running a race against time. So try to utilize these videos to get an overview till your third year. You decide where you want to be, and save these crucial years.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.